Dear friend, if you've been working out at the gym trying to achieve your dream physique only to find that you're still nowhere near that, then this could be the most important video you'll ever come across, and here's why. You're about to discover the complete bodybuilding system that will help you get bigger, ripped, and strong. So you'll be more attractive, stronger, healthier, and have more confidence you need to excel in all areas of your life. But before I share with you the secrets to help you reach your bodybuilding goals, let me explain to you. It's really frustrating if you've been working out 5 days a week, trying different nutrition plans, but still you're nowhere near achieving your fitness goals. If this is the case, there must be something missing out of these 3 critical factors. Number 1, right training. Number 2, right mindset. Number 3, right nutrition. But don't be discouraged just yet, because today, it's all going to change. I'm going to share with you the secrets of getting bigger, stronger, and ripped to the core as practiced by the world-class bodybuilders. There's no way in the world you will achieve your goals by doing the same workout you've been doing for years in the gym without getting results. Do you know what they call people who do the same things over and over again expecting different results? They call it insanity. So if you've been struggling for years in the gym, now is the time to change that. Now is the time to truly transform your life forever. Buckle up, because this is your rare opportunity to apply the secrets top bodybuilders and powerlifters used to achieve their best physique and grow stronger at the same time. After all, nobody wants to look like a stud but can't even lift a decent weight, right? Your frustration ends here. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for, considering that you will get bigger, stronger, ripped, and have well-balanced physique and strength gains, build unshakable self-confidence, get their dream body faster than they could ever imagined, look aesthetic, attractive, and strong even with the shirts on, be in their best shape ever without struggling to find the solution. Dominate their life by becoming the absolute best version of themselves physically, mentally, and emotionally. Have unstoppable bursts of energy, radiating positive vibes, creative and insanely motivated to achieve more in life. You will start seeing your body transform in less than 30 days. Introducing Power Mass Blueprint, the secrets to quality muscle mass and strength gains. Power Mass Blueprint is the ultimate blueprint to help you get bigger, stronger, and ripped, so you will be more attractive, stronger, healthier, and have more confidence to excel in all areas of your life. You will learn everything you need to know about power building, sculpting your body into fine art, nutrition, and supplementation tips to help you reach your body goals fast. Now's the time to experience true transformation. Here's what you'll get from Power Mass Blueprint. The one thing you need to be successful in any field, especially bodybuilding. Practice this 5 champions mindset, the key to reaching your fitness goals fast. How to get rid of distractions, stay dedicated to your goals, and keep the fire burning until you achieve the physique of greatness. How to train for both strength and gaining quality muscle mass. Do this before you start lifting weights, or you'll get injured fast. How many sets and reps is the best for building quality muscle mass? Revealed in Chapter 2. 3 exercises you can add to your workout routine to build muscle mass without lifting weights. Why you should pose and flex during your rest period. It's not about vanity, but read Chapter 2 on how to help you develop impeccable mind-muscle connection. Getting huge and ripped is not the hardest part. This is even harder. Chapter 3. 4 lifestyle changes you should adapt to keep a well-balanced physique. How many glasses of water in a day should you drink for fitness benefits? Revealed in Chapter 3. 4 diet tricks to help you maintain your hard-earned muscle gains. 4 types of supplements you can take to grow and maintain your muscle mass. Most people do their cardio wrong, which reduces their strength and muscle gains. Here's the correct way to perform cardio, the bodybuilding way. Chapter 6. 5 ways to track your bodybuilding progress so you can monitor your fitness journey easily. 6 fitness apps to help you track your progress and measuring your gains better. And that's just scratching the surface. So here's the good news. You get Power Mass Blueprint at a low one-time investment. Just know that this blueprint is worth so much more than what I'm offering to you right now, but I'll only be charging you a tiny fraction of its total value. The best part, you get to improve all aspects of your life without sacrificing one over the other. All you have to do from here onwards is simply practice what you learn from Power Mass Blueprint for the next 30 days. And if you fail to see any improvement, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. Fair enough? You have my word on it. But wait, there's more. If you get Power Mass Blueprint right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of Power Mass Blueprint. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you're going to discover throughout the entire course. You will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through Power Mass Blueprint by pages. You get all these bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. Now, you have the chance to transform your life, so why wait? Click the order button below right now before the price goes up.